Hey guys, I want to do something fun today. This is President's Day weekend is coming up. My daughter's actually got a 5-day weekend, which is incredible. So kudos to the kids over at St. Mary's. I thought this would be fun. Let's do, in honor of President's Day, let's do some trivia. I put together some fun facts and about our presidents. I'll give you a couple of them that I came across. Basically, William Henry Harrison was the 9th president. His grandson, Benjamin Harrison, was the 23rd president. James K. Polk was the first president to have his photograph taken while in office. And William Harrison died just 32 days after becoming president. Ironically, he died from a cold while he got standing in the rain giving his inauguration speech. With that said, here, let's get into the trivia part. I don't know how many I came up with. I think it's less than 10, but I think it would be fun. First person to kind of comment, answer this. Let's see what sort of gift card I have that you may or may not receive. No, I'll treat you to some coffee or something like that. But the first one is there's only one U.S. president that was unanimously elected. Who was that? And very specifically, it just means that all states voted for him. No hints because we go back, there wasn't 50 states back then. Number 2, who were the only 2 presidents who signed the Constitution? Number 3 is going to be who was the shortest president, and followed with that, who was the tallest president at 6'4". Now that's kind of a trick question because there was 2 presidents that were 6'4". You will get partial credit for 1, full credit for 2. So, and then did you know that 3 of the first 5 presidents died on the 4th of July? I figured this one's an easy one for anybody that knows our U.S. presidents. Just who were they? And then, who was the first president to appear on television during a 1939 broadcast from the World's Fair? The year 1939 probably being a great hint. More recently, Bill Clinton was our U.S. president, at least in my lifetime, and he enjoyed playing the saxophone and was a member of a band in high school. Can you name the band? And then finally, I thought this was a fun one. What U.S. president had the most kids? Tell me who it was, tell me how many kids, and whatever comes up with the answers first, I guess, will get some sort of gift card for coffee. We'll leave that as a surprise. Anyway, thanks for following along. Real estate market in New Jersey is continuing to be struggling with just inventory. A lot of people looking for houses and just not a lot of inventory, but we hope that changes sooner rather than later. If you have any real estate questions, give me a shout. Make sure your hints are down below, and appreciate you guys just following along. Have a happy President's Day weekend, all right? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.